Unlock financial freedom. 7 proven passive income strategies that earn $700 a day. Passive income is a dream for many people. The idea of earning money without actively working for it is enticing and can provide financial freedom. In the next few minutes, we will explore 7 passive income ideas that have helped many people earn $700 a day. Passive income from different sources can help you also achieve financial independence. Here is a list of 7 ideas for you to create your own passive income streams. 1. Dividend growth investing. One of many individuals' favorite sources of passive income is dividend growth investing. This involves owning blue-chip stocks that pay dividends. Companies like Walmart, Disney, and Coca-Cola generate so much cash that they distribute it to their investors. By investing in these stocks, you can earn passive income without having to sell the stocks. While this method requires a significant initial investment, it encourages you to save and invest your money wisely. 2. Royalties. Another unique source of passive income is royalties. As an artist, you can receive a percentage of the gross sales on products that companies produce for you. This can be from music sales or course sales. For example, if you have knowledge about a specific area and create a course to sell, you can earn passive income from course sales year after year. 3. Amazon links. If you enjoy reviewing products, you can earn passive income through Amazon links. By creating a YouTube channel and reviewing products, you can include affiliate links in your video descriptions. When viewers purchase products through your links, you earn a small commission. Alternatively, you can participate in Amazon's bounty program, where you earn income by promoting specific offers. 4. Selling products on Shopify. If you have a creative site, consider selling products on Shopify. You can create your own products and sell them through an online store. For example, you can partner with a friend to sell a product through a Kickstarter campaign. This can be a successful source of passive income for you. 5. Affiliate links. Similar to Amazon links, you can earn passive income through affiliate links. By promoting products or services through your YouTube channel or blog, you can earn a commission for each sale made through your links. This is a great method to use instead of paid sponsored videos, as it allows you to provide value to your audience while earning income. 6. Patreon. Patreon is a platform that allows content creators to receive support from their community. By offering exclusive content or early access to videos, creators can earn passive income from their patrons. Patreon is a great way to earn money and then reinvest the money you earn into creating tools for investors and providing financial transparency. 7. Ad revenue. Finally, ad revenue is a common source of passive income for content creators. YouTube channels that focus on financial education often have high ad rates because their audience has the disposable income that banks, credit cards, and brokerages want to reach. While ad revenue is not the most passive form of income, it can be a significant source of earnings. In conclusion, passive income is a great way to achieve financial independence. By diversifying your income streams and investing in different opportunities, you can earn money without actively working for it. Remember, providing value to others is key to long-term success. So, explore these passive income ideas and find the ones that resonate with you. Good luck on your journey to financial freedom.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.